student, good morning. Now we study about last video software. Today we are studied about an important application software, MS Office. What is MS Office? MS Office is a packet of some programs which is used for uh, text editor, presentation, database management system. Okay, so we can first studying about its first part, MS Word, and this is used in every day at office, at home, at any working place. So first click on start button, click on all program, and click on MS Office and click on Microsoft Word. Okay, student. Fine. Okay. So first we some uh, uh, learn about its component like top bar. It is known as a title bar, which is display the file name. Below title bar, these are a menu bar, and menu bar there are some important menu bars: home, insert, page, layout, reference, mailing, review, and view. And this is a quick access toolbar. And quick access toolbar, this is used for uh, take quick action to apply command like uh, undo, redo, save, or new file. This is a file option. File option which is contain different options like that. Okay, so we type in this area, which is known as a working area. This is a ruler, the horizontal and vertical ruler, and this is the status bar which display the status of our working condition and how many pages we type, how many words we written, and this is book, and this is the layout option, view layout, and this is the zoom option. So first we take from custom quick access toolbar. This is a quick access toolbar. We can click on this drop down button and add more command from yes. For this, we can click on more command, and from this window we can select from command button which we want to add on our quick access toolbar, like copy, paste, extra. So like copy, add, cut, add, or mm, paste, add, like, and click on OK. So you can see there is a insert, cut, copy, paste options. File File option contains save, save as option, close, info, recent, new, print, save and send, help option, and exit. Save option, it is used to save our file uh, or document for further future use. So click on save and it's open as window, and here we can type our file name like doc1, and this file when saved, and we can use from document library. So file name is a document, so we can change our file like okay, and click on save. So we can see that from here now your title name is class 7. Okay, file is a save as. Save as option is used to save our same file with another name. Like is a file name class 7, we can change from here file name, and we can save same file with another name. Okay. Open. Open, this option used to open existing file from your document library. Click on open option, and library document library open, and you can select any file you want to open, and select file and click from here on open, and your file is open. Close. Close option is used for closing your current document in which you are working, like that. Okay. File. Info option, it used for display the information about your current document, and like the permission, prepare for sharing, version, etc. Recent option is used for display your current working project in this place, so you can see that our current document which is recently work on class 7 document. New new option is used to create a new file. These are different type of templates, and you can click on blank document and click on create, and it open a new document. Okay. Print option is used to print your hard copy on paper. From this option, and select your copies number from here, and select from here printer option, because of printer is a, also a hardware device, so it is when attached your computer system, then it display your printer, and click on printer, then it print out your hard copy. And if you want to select your page, so then click on page option, and which page you want to select, like 1 2 3, so you can type here, and you can change from here orientation of your page, and in which uh, type of orientation you have to want. Okay. Save and send, it is save and send your file, and send by email, web, SharePoint, etc. options. Help, this is display the information about your MS Word, Office, and which type you have help you need. It is display option. They display the different general option of word option, word related option, and you can change your as your requirement. And exit option, it is used to exit your current program. Click on exit, you can dis- uh, uh, come out from your current program, like that. And it use it save your save and don't save cancel option, so you can cancel it, then it's not close. Now first we type a sentence for applying this. Now uh, it is a sentence. We can type here any type of sentence, a paragraph, or a whole document. So first we learn about home. So this is your sentence. When you want to and this is a home tab formatting options. This is a different type of group: font group, paragraph group, style group, and this editing group. First, to apply any formatting on it, so you have to select it, click on uh, left cursor mouse button and drag like that, so it's selected. Otherwise you click on it and press Ctrl plus A, so it select whole document or whole text which is written. So now first we use font group. This content uh, font style, you can select here a font style which you want to, you can apply on it. Okay, there are different type of text editors, font styles like that. This is font size. This is a font size. You can change font size from here. Okay, this is two button for grow font and shrink font. So you can grow font from here and shrink front here. Okay, this option is a change case. Sentence case first. It is lowercase. It display lower letters all, and uppercase is display the upper letters all, and capitalized word it display the capital word from text like that, and toggle case and it change small to capital and capital to small like that. Okay, so this is your sense. This is from this you can bold, make your text bold, italic or underline like that. Underline, you can select any underline options. There's a different type of underline options like that. ABC, this is a strike through. It draw it this option draw a line middle in your text like that. First select and that, this is like that. Okay, again click on strike through and it uh, dis, disappear line. First, this is a shadow effect. You can apply a shadow effect on your text like that. Okay, uh, this is this is a theme color. It is apply on a background color at your text from like. Okay, this is, and this option is used for to apply a text color at your text. First, no color. Is a text color. Okay, okay. In font group, there are two options also is subscript and superscript. Subscript and superscript option is used where we type a formula like S2O or mathematical formula like x square. So we can use subscript like that. You can see. So superscript and subscript for type this and select this and click like, and for superscript this is x2, so x over 2 you see in math uh, subject formulas, so like that. So for this superscript and subscript is used. Okay, now we uh, was to paragraph group. Paragraph will contain the number list, bullet list, indentation, sorting, break, alignment, spacing, theme color, and this is a border and shading. So first, where we take alignment. So alignment, it adjusts the text where are you from start to it, like left alignment, center, right alignment, or judgment. Okay. Paragraph group. Paragraph is a paragraph spacing. It is used for provide the spacing between the two lines, like that. You can select any point and provide space between or remove space between your two lines in a paragraph, like that. This is the spacing between paragraph. Again, you you select and remove your spacing between the two lines. Indentation is a decrease indentation. This indentation is a ruler, and this is used for indentation or provide a margin between the type text. So we provide the indentation between from this to this. Then we can now type our text. Then it not cross its range from here and automatically shift below it, like that. Okay. Sorting, this is used for sort your ascending and descending order, and you can sort it, okay, like that. Okay, this is the page break. You can apply for break your page like that, just like that. Again you click on is undo your condition. Bullet or number list, this is apply when we are uh, mm, creating list. So you can uh, use this, like if you take any type of bullet list, if you creating your uh, friends list, so you can type like and click enter, so automatically next bullet list is here. Okay, if you change your bullet list to number list, then you can select number list from here, or alphanumeric alpha number list, then you can type, and when you type and press enter, it automatically take next uh, list, bullets, or a number, or alpha numericals. Okay, is a this is a shading. If you want to apply shade, then select your document or text, and you can apply shading. Okay, or again press Ctrl Z. You take a undo action. This is this option is used for apply border, like these are the different type of border option, and you can also apply the border and shading at your uh, from this option. This is a page border, shading. Okay, if you want to apply the page border, so you can click on art option and select any page art board, and you can apply this. This is your shading. Styles. it provides a different style of text. So first you can select and you can change the different style of your from here. Okay, okay, like that. ठीक है. Okay, change style from here. You can also change the style sets, uh, color, font style, paragraph spacing, and set as default. It is set your previous condition as well as last, like. Okay, okay. and and clipboard option, this is contain the different option like cut, copy, paste. And cut, copy, paste are used to replace your text or document in another place. Copy is used when copy your documents and it is not uh, 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 remain last place, uh, as well as paste another place, and we can say this is uh, shift its condition. But in last, where it is from copy, it is also available there. And cut option, it is cut the uh, your text or document from last space, and it uh, display on another space when you paste. Format painter, when same formatting if you want to apply on another text, then this formatting painter option is used, like that. If you uh, apply this formatting on this, so you select it, click format paint and paint on it, and look, this is change its. Okay, so this is format painter. Okay, editing group, this is the last group in home. It is used for editing your documents, like find, replace, or select. So find option, replace, and these are option used to find. It is used to find any text. So click on find, or now this is navigation x2. So it find x2. If you want to find any text like is, so it find is, you can see. Okay, and when you want to replace from any text to another, so it also display the find, go to, or replace. So find what is and replace with uh, uh, in, to replace all. Yes, okay, so you can see it is replaced with in, you can see. Okay, go to it is used to go the page number, section number, line number, bookmark number, comment number. So you can select any uh, option as your requirement, and go to as your requirement. Okay, this is cursor is here, isn't it? It means it's a page number 2. Okay, so this is your uh, MS Words menu home bar, and this is a simple your document. You can easily practice on it, and there is some shortcut keys we can use for cut, control X, for copy, control C, for paste, control V, for find, control F, for replace, control H, for go to, control Z, for select all document, control A, for undo the last action, so control Z, or redo the reverse the last action, the control Y. Okay, for save, control S, for an new, control N, for open, control O, for print, control P. So there is some shortcut keys used for quick access we can use. Okay, so keep practice on your uh, system, and have a nice day.